Senator, do you have any plans po of possibly running to higher office or any political plans po?
Wala pa naman. Wala pa akong plano. In fact, nung last election, din ako tumakbo. Tinamahan ko lang si President BBM umikot sa lahat ng region because I was then the president of the mayors in the Philippines to introduce him to all the mayors. And sabi nga niya, he was very lucky that I'm the president now because when he ran for vice president, he told me that he had wala akong isang mayor, sabi niya. But this time, 80% mayors all over the country is voted in because I'm president in the Philippines. But I didn't run anymore. But still, the mayors elected me as emeritus president, emeritus member, head member, and emeritus president in the league. I'm just helping them. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtulong sa kanila.